Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC B2089 indicates a problem with the right power sliding door switch in a 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. This error specifically points to an input error where the switch signals for opening and closing are activated at the same time, leading to a conflict in the system's ability to operate the sliding door. The power sliding door system plays a crucial role in the convenience and functionality of accessing the vehicle's rear area, especially for families or individuals needing to transport loads. The affected component, the right power sliding door switch, is located on the sliding door itself, making it accessible for troubleshooting. When malfunctioning, this switch may prevent the door from opening or closing, potentially leading to safety concerns or accessibility issues. To address this, a systematic approach to diagnose and resolve the issue is necessary, utilizing tools like the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for checking DTCs and operating the switch. The DTC B2089 refers to an open-close signal input error originating from the right power sliding door switch. This switch's main role is to receive commands for the door to either open or close. A malfunction occurs when both signals are sent simultaneously, creating a conflict and preventing proper operation. The right power sliding door switch is situated on the sliding door, easily accessible to the driver or front passenger. If this switch fails, the entire power sliding door functionality can be compromised. Thus, understanding the exact functioning and response from this switch is vital to diagnosing issues related to DTC B2089. Several factors can lead to the DTC B2089 appearing in the system. Firstly, the power sliding door switch itself may have malfunctioned, preventing accurate signal transmission for opening or closing the door. Secondly, any wiring issues, including shorts or frayed wires, can hinder proper communication between the switch and the vehicle's control system. Finally, poor or loose connections within the wiring harness could disrupt the signal flow, causing the error code to trigger. Diagnosing these areas is essential, as they represent common failure points leading to this specific DTC and its associated symptoms. Symptoms associated with DTC B2089 primarily include the failure of the power sliding door to operate as expected. This may manifest as the door not opening or closing when requested through the switch. In some cases, the switch might respond inconsistently or provide incorrect feedback, leading to user frustration. Furthermore, the error code may trigger intermittently, suggesting an underlying issue with the switch or its connections. These symptoms highlight the importance of timely diagnosis and repair to ensure the sliding door operates effectively and safely. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B2089 involves clearing the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This tool is crucial as it resets the system, allowing for a fresh evaluation of the sliding door's operation. By erasing existing codes, technicians can determine if the error persists or if it was a temporary glitch. Following this, the ignition switch should be turned to the lock position and then back to the on position. Alternatively, you can press the engine start-stop button to cycle the system back to on mode. This ensures that the vehicle electronics are properly powered up and ready for diagnostics with the HDS. Once cleared, monitoring the system can provide more accurate information regarding DTC B2089. In this step, after clearing the DTCs, turn the ignition switch to the on position or press the engine start-stop button to activate the electronic systems. Subsequently, it is essential to turn the power sliding door main switch on. This step prepares the system for testing the operation of the right power sliding door switch. Specifically, you will need to operate the open side of the right power sliding door switch for at least 3 continuous seconds. This action helps the control modules assess the switch's functionality and note any discrepancies in performance or signal transmission. Observing the response during this activation phase is critical for troubleshooting. After activating the power sliding door switch, the next troubleshooting action is to check for any DTCs using the HDS. This diagnostic tool enables technicians to evaluate whether the DTC B2089 is still indicated after the switch has been operated as described. If the DTC reappears, the issue is likely persistence, requiring further analysis and troubleshooting. Conversely, if there are no new codes generated, this may indicate an intermittent failure where the system is functioning correctly at that moment, though it remains imperative to investigate potential loose connections at the power sliding door switch to prevent future issues. In this step, the focus shifts to checking if any additional DTCs, specifically B2075 and/or B2076, are present along with B2089. If these codes are solely present, troubleshooting should prioritize addressing these specific DTCs. Each code indicates issues related to the sliding door mechanisms, with B2075 focusing on the rear left door and B2076 relating to the rear right. Such codes can provide valuable insights into whether the issue is localized to individual doors or indicative of a broader system failure. Comprehensively diagnosing all relevant DTCs ensures that no underlying issue is overlooked, maintaining the operational integrity of the sliding doors. Once assessments from the previous steps are complete, the technician should turn the ignition switch to the lock position or select the off mode by pressing the engine start-stop button. This step is crucial for ensuring safety and electrical integrity while proceeding to the next phase of the troubleshooting process. Following this, the technician must prepare to remove the power sliding door switch, which involves disconnecting the 12P connector attached to the switch. This can often be achieved by gently releasing any clips or securing mechanisms that hold the connector in place, ensuring no damage occurs during disconnection. Safely removing the switch allows for a deeper inspection of its functionality and connections. The final step in the troubleshooting process involves checking for continuity between specific terminals of the power sliding door switch. The technician should use an ohm meter to evaluate the continuity between all paired terminals as outlined. Ensuring that the internal connections of the switch are intact is vital, as any breaks or shorts can lead to the issues associated with DTC B2089. It's essential to check each of the 12 terminals, namely from number 10 to number 12 and vice versa, following the correct pairing instructions. This meticulous examination ensures that any internal faults within the switch are identified and rectified to restore its functionality. After completing all troubleshooting steps and making any necessary repairs to the power sliding door switch or its connections, it is critical to verify that the system operates correctly. Reinstall the power sliding door switch securely, ensuring all connections are secure and free from corrosion. Following this, perform a functional test by activating the sliding door again, checking both the open and close operations to confirm that the issue associated with DTC B2089 has been resolved. Observing that the system operates smoothly without triggering any error codes further ensures the integrity of the repair. This essential step reinforces the reliability of the fix and allows the vehicle owner to regain confidence in the sliding door function. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B2089, implementing a routine maintenance schedule is vital. Regular checks of the power sliding door switch functionality can catch early signs of wear or malfunction. Additionally, inspecting the wiring connected to the switch for any signs of fraying, corrosion, or loose connections will contribute to long-term reliability. It may also be beneficial to consider using protective sheathing or tape to guard against environmental factors that could compromise wiring integrity. Such preventive actions can significantly enhance the longevity and functionality of the power sliding door system, safeguarding it against common issues that can lead to DTC errors. DTC B2089 presents a specific challenge concerning the right power sliding door switch's operation in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. A thorough diagnosis is critical, involving systematic troubleshooting steps including clearing DTCs, checking switch functionality, and ensuring proper connections. Recognizing the symptoms associated with this error helps guide efficient repairs. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance can mitigate the likelihood of future issues arising in the sliding door system. Overall, understanding the complexity and functionality of the components involved is what fosters effective repairs and long-term reliability. By adhering to these procedures and preventive measures, owners can enjoy the convenience and safety features that the power sliding doors provide. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.